Hello students, this is the another video in the series of GATE Mathematics previous year's questions. So this is the question 2 in this series. So in this question, a matrix is given of 3 cross 3 order 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 0 1 0. Then we have to evaluate a to the power 50. And here 4 options are provided for this particular question. So students, what to do in this particular type of question? Here matrix A is provided, so first we have to start with A square. So A square means, as we know, A into A, that is 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 0 1 0, and again the same matrix in multiplication, that is 1 0 0, 1 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0. And if we will multiply this matrix, we are going to get here the product of this matrix we know. So it will be 1 0 0, 1 1 0, and then 1 0 and 1. After that students, after evaluating A square, I am aiming for A to the power 4. A to the power 4 is A square into A square. So what it would be? This matrix 2 times multiplication, 1 0 0, 1 1 0, 1 0 1, and multiply with the same matrix 1 0 0, 1 1 0, 1 0 and 1. So what will be the result of this multiplication? It will be 1 0 0, 2 1 0, and 2 0 1. After evaluating A to the power 4, I am aiming for A to the power 8. That is A to the power 4 into A to the power 4. It means this matrix is multiplied 2 times. So 2 times I am going to multiply this matrix. So that is 1 0 0, 2 1 0, 2 0 1 into 1 0 0, 2 1 0, 2 0 1. So students, if we will multiply these two matrices, what would be the result? Result will be 1 0 0, 4 1 0, and 4 0 and 1. So students, here we can apply some symmetry as well. As you can see, if A to the power 4 is there, diagonal elements are 1 1 and 1, and above then the diagonal elements are 0, and below then the diagonal elements there is 2 and again 2 and 0. If you will observe A to the power 8, again diagonal elements are 1 1 and 1, above diagonal elements are 0, and below diagonal the elements are just if I will talk about 4 and 4, this is the half of 8 and 0. So you can apply symmetry as well. Otherwise the other option is you can evaluate A to the power 16. A to the power 16 will be A to the power 8 into A to the power 8. So if I will multiply this matrix 2 times, 1 0 0, 4 1 0, 4 0 1, and the same matrix is multiplied here. So we will be getting here just, I mean to say, 1 0 0, and then 8 1 0, and then 8 0 1. So it is the same thing which I was talking about, just like I discussed, I mean to say, earlier, like diagonal elements are 1 here, above diagonal elements are 0, and here 8 and 8, half of 16, and this element 0. Now thereafter, if I will talk about A to the power 32, that will be A to the power 16 into A to the power 16. So it would be like just this particular matrix, this previous matrix, 1 0 0, 8 1 0, 8 0 1 into 1 0 0, 8 1 0, 8 0 1. So what would be its result? Its multiplication result I am talking about, 1 0 0. It will be, students, 16 1 0 and 16 0 1. And thereafter, if I will talk about A to the power 48. So how I can write A to the power 48? For sure it is A to the power 32 into A to the power 16. So A to the power 32 I am already having this as this matrix, that is 1 0 0, 16 1 0, 16 0 1, and A to the power 16 also I am having here. So that is 1 0 0, 8 1 0 8 0 1. So what would be the result of these two matrices? I mean to say a to the power 32 and a to the power 16. That will be 1 0 0 24 1 0 and thereafter 24 0 1, and we have reached up to a to the power 48, but we are demanded here a to the power 50. So how how we can write a to the power 50? A to the power 50 can be written like a to the power 48 into a square. So what I mean to say here, a to the power 48 is this, like 1 0 0 24 1 0 24 0 1, and a square I have already evaluated earlier, that was 1 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 0 1. And finally this multiplication of matrices, square matrices, will be 1 0 0 thereafter 25 1 0 and then 25 0 1. So students, I hope this would be one of the option here. Yes, this is the 1 0 0 25 1 0 20, option C. So for this question, option C is correct. Thank you so much students for watching this video.